Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix error code 4206 on Genshin Impact game.
First of all, you need to determine if the problem is from the game publisher or from the end user. Go to Genshin Impact's official Twitter page and see if there are any announcements about server issues or upgrade maintenance period. Also, go to the Down Detector website and see if other players are having the same problem as you. If the problem is coming from Genshin Impact servers, the only thing you can do is wait until it is fixed. In the other case, I recommend restarting your system before starting with other methods. After restart is complete, open Genshin Impact and see problem is fixed. If you are still here, it means we have to start with advanced methods. Method 1, change VPN server location or disable VPN. If you don't use VPN, skip this method. Try changing another VPN server location before launching Genshin Impact, as it's possible that the VPN server in that location is having problems. If not work, then you should disable VPN on your device. Method 2, try with another network. If you only have one source of internet connection, please skip this method. If your device is connected to an open or public Wi-Fi network when you are away from home, such as in coffee shops or malls, then you should disconnect from this and connect to a private network or use your cellular mobile network. In case you are at home, I also recommend trying with a different network to determine if the problem is with the device that broadcasts the internet. If you can play Genshin Impact normally in another network, then go to Method 10 to fix the problem. Method 3, update Genshin Impact game. Running an old version of a game could cause problems on your device. The version of Genshin Impact installed on your device could already have an issue, and MiHoYo might release an update to patch the problem. To check for an update on Windows, first, close the game on your computer. Now, open the Genshin Impact launcher on Windows. After that, the launcher will automatically check for any update available for the game. Finally, if an update is available, follow the on-screen prompts to install it on your computer. For Android devices, first, close the game on your Android devices, then go to Google Play Store. Inside the Play Store, tap on the menu button to make the side menu appear. After that, tap on My Apps and Games from the side menu. Finally, tap on the Update button if an update is detected by the Play Store. On iOS devices, first, close the game on your iOS devices, then go to App Store. After that, tap on the Account tab to open it. Finally, tap on the Update button if an update is available for Genshin Impact. After updating the game, try to play for a couple of minutes to check if the error code 4206 would still occur on your device. Method 4, use the right server for your region. If you usually play with your overseas friends, maybe you're playing on their region server. Playing on a different server can add some delay and can cause this 4206 error pop up. To fix this, make sure that you are playing on the right server for your region. Method 5, clear app cache. Go to Settings. Tap Apps. Scroll down and tap on Genshin Impact. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Once done, reopen Genshin Impact to check if the error code 4206 would still occur on your device. Method 6, change your DNS. DNS or domain name system is basically a database of IP addresses. If you're having some issues while using the internet or facing internet lag in some online games like Genshin Impact, try changing your DNS, and hopefully, it will get resolved. Method 7, allow Genshin Impact through the firewall. Press Windows key then type Firewall. Select Allow an app through Windows Firewall. A new window will open. Here you have to click on Change Settings. After clicking on the Change Setting option, click on Add another app option. Now browse for launcher.exe file and add this file to the list. Once done, reopen Genshin Impact to check if the error code 4206 would still occur on your device. Method 8. Disable third-party antivirus software. Sometimes your antivirus disables some ports of your internet and can cause this 4206 network connection error. You can check that your game is working after disabling the antivirus. If yes, just disable your antivirus every time when you're playing your game Genshin Impact. Method 9. Verify Genshin Impact game file. Open Epic Game Library. Right-click on Genshin Impact, then select Manage. Select Verify. After the verify is done, relaunching Genshin Impact to check if the error code 4206 would still occur on your device. Method 10. Reset network settings. To reset your network settings on Windows, go to your Windows settings and click on the Network and Internet option. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Click Reset Now. It will reset your network settings automatically and restart your computer automatically. For Android devices, go to Settings. Tap General Management. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings. On iOS devices, go to Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and proceed. Method 11. Power cycle your router. If your internet connection is really the problem, try to restart your router. Doing this allows your router to re-establish a better connection with your internet service provider. Locate the power cable of your router and unplug it for 5 to 10 seconds. Now, plug back in the power cable of your router to turn it on again. After restarting your router, try to launching Genshin Impact to check if the error code 4206 would still occur on your device.